Using the term contested logistics, as the Deputy Commandant for Logistics would say, is kind of a misnomer. All logistics is contested. What we're pursuing with digital manufacturing is trying to shorten what we call the flash to bang between a using unit at the point of need all the way back to the industrial base, whether it be the organic or the commercial industrial base, getting what our forward line troops need at the point where they need it in the shortest amount of time possible. Instead of trying to ship a part, you're sending digital information over the airwaves, through fiber optic cable, through the internet, to be able to produce parts and components and things that are needed on the front lines without the need for long shipping lead times.
Additive manufacturing is being applied across Marine Corps logistics enterprises as a readiness enabler. OEM manufacturers can upload intellectual property and digital models, and we have access to those so that we can print those parts to get gear up and in the hands of Marines. It is a great tool. It enables you to bridge that time gap and quickly respond to a supply need with a part that's hard to get any other way.
What LOGCOM's doing right now with our partnership with OSW, M&R, as well as our coalition partners, is we are setting the next level of digital manufacturing. It's more than just 3D printing. Technologies like cold spray and metal deposition, those are all technologies that we've had for some time, and now we're putting in place the digital architecture where we don't have to have huge factories everywhere. We can manufacture parts when we need them, where we need them, without the overhead that goes along with having long lead times and supply lines.
This summit brings people together along with industry. As you see behind me, we have our industry partners who are the manufacturers of the machines that we use here at Marine Depot Maintenance Command for printing polymer parts. We have all three of those groups together to exchange ideas, to streamline processes, to talk about new technologies, and really enable the Marine Corps to be in the forefront of advanced manufacturing.
We are not in this fight alone. No fight that we're going to go into in the Marine Corps is going to be done alone. It's a joint fight. We have to realize that the future is now.